Today we are going to discuss the preparation method of ether. Preparation of ether. Okay. So what is the preparation of ether? First method we are studying today. First method is dehydration of dehydration of alcohol. But this is acid catalyzed dehydration. Acid catalyzed dehydration. Now what is acid catalyzed dehydration reaction? We already studied the mechanism of the dehydration of alcohol, but that time we have got what? From alcohol we have got the alkene, but this time we will get the ether. Only the difference is what? Previously we have seen the temperature was 433 Kelvin to 443 Kelvin, but here what we are seeing, I am showing you 2CH3 CH2OH. Suppose we have taken, okay, this is what? Ethanol. Two molecule of same alcohol if we take, that means excess amount of alcohol, ethanol suppose we have taken here, and concentrated sulfuric acid. In the presence of acid, the temperature only, instead of 433 to 443 Kelvin, it will be 413. Remember this difference only, okay, and excess amount of alcohol is required in this case. So what will be the product? The product will be, we can understand this time, CH3, CH2, OCH2, CH3. So this is one kind of ether only. So this is ether, symmetrical ether. So what is the mechanism of this? This is very important. Mechanism of dehydration of alcohol to ether. First step, I am showing you the steps. First step is what? That is protonation of mechanism I am showing you. Okay, so this is the mechanism of dehydration of alcohol to ether. So please mention this one, alcohol to ether. It will be alcohol to ether. Otherwise you can understand that the dehydration of alcohol already we have done, but that time it was alkene. Now we are preparing ether. First step, protonation of alcohol. Protonation of alcohol. Protonation of alcohol is what? Suppose you have CH3, CH2, OH. Okay, oxygen. See, it will protonate, or it will donate its lone pair of electron to this proton. So this is called protonation of alcohol, and ultimately we are getting this product, CH3, CH2, OH2 plus, because oxygen has already donated its lone pair of electron, therefore oxygen is getting positively charged. Second step, that is nucleophilic attack by unprotonated alcohol. Achha, to the protonated alcohol. That means first of all, one unprotonated alcohol I am writing, CH3CH2OH. It is having again another lone pair of electron, and see, it is actually attacking the CH3CH2O plus H2. Okay. Now what will happen? This is following directly the SN2 mechanism generally. So this is a slope step mechanism. So SN2 mechanism, if it will follow, what will happen here? It will donate its lone pair of electron, or it can attack this carbon. See, if this bond will break like this way, because oxygen is positively charged, the bond will break, oxygen will get or return, it will get back its lone pair of electron. So the bond will break like this way, so that this carbon will be positively charged. So this positively charged carbocation will be attacked by this lone pair of electron on oxygen. So this is what? one is depart means one bond is leaving, another bond is attacking. This is SN2 only, together it is happening. So it depends upon the steady hindrance, everything. Okay, rate of the reaction. So what is the next one? The product will be what? You can understand, CH3, CH2. Now in this case oxygen has already given its lone pair, so it will become what? Positively charged. One hand hydrogen and another hand it has attacked this group, so it will be CH2, CH3. Am I clear? And here OH2, that means H2O is removed, so I am showing it here only. Next step, that is third step, very important step, that is loss of proton. Loss of proton. Loss of proton from which? This compound, okay? This carbocation. I'm sorry, this cation. So what will be this one? See, I'm writing it first. CH3, CH2, O plus, CH2, CH3 and H. So first of all, it will lose its proton, and what will happen? See, again another molecule of, suppose here OH is there, okay, and here CH2, CH3, another molecule, it will again take this H plus, and ultimately we will get what? CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. Okay, this is our ultimate product, which is our ether, and again the reaction will take place. This is the first step, and this one again we will get CH3, CH2, OH2 plus, this type of thing again we will, so that the reaction can be continued. That's why. Okay, so this is the mechanism of the dehydration of alcohol to ether. Next video I'll tell you the next important reaction. Thank you, class.